Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to make stickers in Canva. So to start with, from your Canva account, we're going to click on the plus create icon. Then we're going to scroll to the bottom and click on custom size. So we're going to change the units to inches, and then we're going to type in 8.5 by 11, as this is standard sticker size. Then we're going to click on create new design. From here, this is where we can create our sheet of stickers. So now it's down to your imagination. What type of stickers do you want to create? For today's tutorial, I'm going to type in cute animals, as these are really popular with stickers. Then I'm going to click on graphics and have a scroll through. So I can use any of these cute little animals that I want to turn into stickers. So let's have a look. I quite like this hedgehog, and I might have one other animal. So something like this little koala. So I'm going to make a sheet of stickers. So I'm just going to resize these. So bearing in mind, you can edit the stickers before you resize them by clicking on adjust, and you can make the stickers like brighter, increase the contrast and highlight, or increase the vibrance, which makes the color a little bit more noticeable. I'm just going to leave them as they are, as I quite like them. Then I'm going to resize them. So I'm going to make this into like a little sticker sheet. So gonna put the koala next to him, and Canva does a really good job of like aligning the images up, so you can see the little red lines that come up, so you can see that they're about the right size. Then I'm going to move the little koala over. I'm going to make another little hedgehog and put them side by side. Should be about the right size. Then I'm going to make another koala, so I just got to move them over a little bit so they all fit in a row. Nearly there. So let's see. So now I'm gonna highlight all of them and group them together, and this makes it easy. I can copy the design to make my sheet of stickers. So I'm gonna copy it once, just make sure they're all aligned. Then I'm gonna copy it again. Let's see how many we can get on here, and copy it one more time. I think we might get another one on here as well. Might move these ones up a bit. So make sure they have a little bit of space from each other, because bear in mind, when someone prints this out, they'll want to cut the stickers out. And I'm just going to copy this one more time, move it down a little way. And there we go. So we have our cute animals sticker sheet. So from there, I can give my design a name. So I'm just going to say cute animals stickers. Then you have a few options here. So you can download the design and print the stickers out somewhere else. Or Canva has a sticker printing service, which is really, really helpful. So what I can do, I can click on share. I can scroll down to see all. And when I scroll down to the bottom, I should be able to find Canva's printing. So let's see. Where is it? Just going to move that out of the way. So just, oh, there we go. Print with Canva. So if I want to get Canva to print my stickers, see, I can print them as oval, or I think a little bit lower down. Yeah, I've got the rectangle option, which is the type of design I've created. So I can click on that. New page will open. Then you can put in your details to print out the stickers on the sizes and the finish that you want. If you don't want to do that, you can click on share, and then we can download. And usually PNG is the best quality, but you can also download as PDF print as well, as you'll be wanting to print these, and then click on download. And that's it. That's how to create stickers on Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.